All right, so I want to talk about the most asked question that I see in the trading community on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and it actually blows my mind. The question is, how much money do I need to start trading? So many people think that you need money to start trading, and that is not true whatsoever. You don't need a single dollar to learn how to trade. Not one, not $50, not $100, no money whatsoever. And if you're new and you're already spending money on funded accounts, challenges and resets and whatever, I'm going to explain why that's the fastest way to burn through your cash and get discouraged. Because trading is not a race, and the people who rush it are the ones who end up not making it. Let's start with this. Everything you need to learn how to trade is free. Charts are free. Market data is free. TradingView you can look at for free. YouTube videos learning how to trade are free. And demo accounts are free. There is literally no barrier when it comes to learning trading, and that's why it's such an amazing skill to learn, because it's this high impact skill that has the potential to make you so much money, and you don't have to spend a penny in order to start. You can open a demo account today and connect it to a trading platform and start trading fake money in real market conditions. It's the same price action, and if you do it right, it can be the same emotional aspect while you're not even risking a penny. And this is where people mess up. They think, oh, it's a demo account, it doesn't count, it's not gonna teach me how to actually trade. No, that's not true whatsoever. A demo account is where you build your skill, you build your consistency, and you practice and perfect your strategy. Think about it like a pilot learning to fly a plane. They start with studying probably books and notes and stuff like that, and they don't just go and hop into a plane with passengers and fly. They start practicing in a simulated plane that replicates the exact same as flying a real plane, except you're not putting the passengers at risk. And that's the same with a demo account. You're learning, you're simulating the exact same thing as trading on a live account without risking your capital. This is the part I really want to emphasize. So many times on social media, I see people who are like 3 months into their trading journey getting funded accounts. And I'm like, why? Like, you don't even know what you're doing yet. And I don't mean that to be disrespectful. It's just the truth. Trading is a skill and it takes time. And if you're new to trading and you're just buying like your funded combine after combine and failing them, you're not investing your money to learn a skill. You're just basically gambling your money away. Because funded accounts are like, what, $100? And if you don't have a proven strategy, if you're not consistent yet, and you don't have risk management or emotional control over your trades yet, there's no point of spending that money. Just stick to a demo account until you are profitable on it. Because the traders who are not profitable, who just buy funded accounts, you get stuck in the cycle of buying the combine, failing it, rebuying it, failing it, just hoping that the next time you're actually going to pass. And suddenly you've spent hundreds or thousands of dollars and you still don't know how to trade. All that money could have just stayed in your pocket while you stayed on a demo account. Here's what nobody wants to hear. You can trade on a demo account for however long it takes you to be profitable, whether that's 6 months, a year, 2 years, there is no rush. If you're not profitable on a demo account, you're not magically going to become profitable trading real money or on a funded account. Demo trading lets you learn price action, market structure, perfect your strategy, learn your session and understand how the price moves during it. It helps you to learn patience and discipline, and you can still journal your trades the exact same way if you were journaling a live trade. And most importantly, it helps teach you consistency, all without the stress of your real money being on the line. And when I say waiting until you're profitable on a demo account, I don't mean 1 week. I don't mean, oh, you made $1,000, you're green for the week, great, go get a live account and blow your money. No, that's not what I mean. To show yourself that you're consistent, whatever your goal is, just say it's $5,000 a month. Well, on your demo account, track that and have a goal to make $5,000 a month for a minimum of 3 months in a row. If you are able to do that, that is showing you that you are consistent, and then you're ready to go and put your money in a live account or get a funded whatever. This is the smartest way to do it that I honestly don't see a lot of people talking about. Don't try to force trade just to make money either. Like, you have to be trading A+ clean setups. The other thing that is super, super important that I want to talk about is if you do have a demo account, you need to be trading it as if it was your live account or like your funded combine, okay? So there's so many times that I see these new traders getting a demo account and then risking like $10,000 and saying they made 20K for the day. That is not realistic whatsoever, and that's not going to help you, okay? You need to be trading on your demo account as if it was either your live or your funded account. So once you have proven to yourself that you are profitable on your demo account, you have two options. One is to get a live account, put a small amount of capital in there and trade with that and try to grow it. Or the second option is purchasing a funded account. So it's like $100 for like a 50K or 100K account. And once you pass the combine, which is like a test, then you're trading with that amount of capital. So you're trading with that $50,000. And there's a few small rules to follow, but as long as you follow them, then you'll be eligible to get a payout of, I think the max is like $5,000. So that is a great way to make real money if you don't have the capital already. And the key is that when you switch to a live account or a funded account, you need to stick with the same rules that you were on the demo. So don't just go in and change your rules or over risk your trades. And don't feel pressure to make it faster and try to pass faster or make money faster, because you don't have to be worried anymore. You spent the time on your demo account. You've proven to yourself that you are able to be profitable. So you're no longer just hoping to pass your funded account. You expect to pass it because you've proven to yourself that you're capable of it. And even then, passing the combine is not even the goal. It's getting the payouts. That is when your money starts to work for you, and your time and everything you've dedicated. That is when it all starts to click and it's all coming together and you're able to make real money from trading, which is the best feeling ever. Because the other thing that people don't understand is just passing the prop firm eval does not mean that you're profitable or going to get any money. You still have to follow the rules and continue to trade and keep your account live in order to get your payouts. So let me say this clearly, you don't need any money to start trading. You need time, reps, consistency, and discipline. Stop rushing and comparing yourself to these other traders, because trading is you against you, okay? It's not a race, because you could be comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Stop letting social media convince you that you're behind and you're not where you need to be. Trading is your own pace, okay? You don't need to be anywhere. You need to be exactly where you are. And if you slow down and stay on your demo account and build real skills and consistency and wait until you're actually ready, you'll save money, stress, and years of frustration that most traders will probably still be experiencing. If you feel like this video helped you, drop a comment and let me know how long you've been on your trading journey and where you're at. And just a reminder, if you're currently trading on a demo account, then you are doing it right. And don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.